why you may not get monetized even with your 1000 subscribers, even with your 4000 watch hour. You hit 1000 subscribers, you are excited, but then nothing, no email, no invite to the YouTube partner program. What happened? Just stick with me, let's dive into deep and know what happened. Okay, I will be right back. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm breaking down the real reason why reaching 1000 subscribers no longer guarantees your monetization in this 2025 and what you need to do instead. Okay, so let's quickly dive in with no fluff. All right, number one, monetization requirements have changed. I don't know if you're not aware, let me remind you again. Monetization requirements has changed. Okay, first, most people focus only on the 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours or 10 million views in 90 days. Okay, it's no longer the same. Now we need to do extra things, which I'm about to review in this my video. Okay, the second one is, if you don't know, YouTube has silently titled his quality review process. Okay, so the third one is, now meeting the numbers doesn't approve guarantee that you'll be monetized. If you like doing so for 1000 subscriber, and after you might have gotten your 1000 subscriber, you are still doing some things to get your 4000 watch hour, it is not guaranteed whether your 1000 is completed, your 4000 watch hour is completed. It is not guaranteed for them to monetize you with these current YouTube changes of monetization in this 2025. Okay, yeah, I came to burst your bubble. So they have silently tightened their YouTube monetization requirements silently, without making, they don't need to make noise. You understand? It is when you want to apply, then they will not tell you whether you're qualified or you're not qualified, because there's some reviews that they need to do on your channel which you will not even be expecting. You understand? That kind of review will take place. But now they have started doing all those reviews on your channel before they welcome you into their YouTube YTT partner program. Okay, so now meeting numbers doesn't guarantee approval. You have to meet quality and originality. You understand where I'm going to? Quality and originality, number one. And again, and community standard too is included though. Community standard is not exceptional. Okay, now I want you to have this in at the back of your mind, that YouTube now reviews your channel content before approval, not just your stats. If you think that if you complete your 1000, if you have gotten your 1000 subscribers and you have gotten your 4000 watch hour, this is not where it will end. I just want to remind you that. I just want you to bear that in your mind, okay? At the corner of your head, in whatever you're doing on your channel. So the second one is reuse content and short pitfall. All right, so channels uploading reused TikTok or Instagram content, even if it has millions of views, are being denied. I've been telling you people this thing about those people that are leaving watermarks from Instagram on their YouTube. You understand? Maybe the content that they have posted on their TikTok, the content that they have posted on their Instagram, they went and downloaded it back again to come and upload it on YouTube. You understand? Now YouTube termed it as reuse content. Please, we creators, we have to be careful this time around though, to be qualified in YouTube monetization, because they have silently tightened their seat belts now. It's more 1000 subscribers and it's no more 4000 watch hours. Okay, there's more to it. So the second one is, even channels that rely only on viral YouTube shorts often get rejected if their videos lack originality or have watermarks. Even on short is not exception. You know, short is so easy that you can bring all your content that you have uploaded on your TikTok to your YouTube short. You think that it is nothing. It's when you want to apply for monetization, that is when they will tell you what is going on. Please, we should desist. If you have posted any video on your TikTok, please leave it there. Make a fresh one on your YouTube short. Okay, two of these things, they are two different things. They are started checking. You understand? Please leave your video there. They term this as reuse content. Please, even on Instagram reel, they termed it as reused content. So if you want to make a video, make sure that it's only for YouTube. Even if you have different social media accounts, please make videos there. All right, make separate videos there, please. Or the video that you posted on your long form, you can try to repurpose it to your short. That's the only way. But you bringing a video that you uploaded on your TikTok or on your Instagram reel, even on your Facebook reel, is prohibited here now in this 2025. This is what is going on. If they find that on your channel when you apply for your YouTube monetization, they will not monetize you. All right, let's move ahead. Number 3, YouTube wants to see your unique voice and original creation, not a repost. You know, that is why I told you that YouTube is based on creativity. You understand? YouTube is, if you're not creating anything here, what are you doing? If you're looking for a fast lane, what are you doing? Please, this time around, I will advise each and every one of us, the creators, please, if you're doing sub for sub now, please stop, just hold on, stop, so that when you want to apply for monetization, you will not cry had I know, because nobody know what is going on. Nobody knows how it will be. You understand? Now they are checking your content, they are checking the quality of your content, they're checking your subscribers, everything about you. YouTube is checking it before they give you that monetization. You understand? So and you should bear this in at the corner of your mind, that short may get you views but not monetization. Okay, the only thing that short will do on your channel is views but not monetization. Just put it at the back of your mind. Let's move ahead. Number 3, low quality content or spammy tactics. Okay, let me explain. Repetitive videos, AI voiceovers with no personality, or misleading thumbnails and title, that is what YouTube termed as low quality content. You understand? Repetitive videos, the video that you have posted, you went and post it again, that is a repetitive content. You understand? Or you went to somebody's video and downloaded it, and you now dub worse for worse, and you post it exactly the way it is on that person's channel. That is a repetitive content. You understand? Or a video that you have posted on your channel is on your channel, and you went and repost it again, as in you downloaded it and post again on your channel. That is a repetitive content. So AI voice, some people extract voices from AI. I don't know if you are doing AI content, please, I would advise you to, why not use your voice? You can generate any script from AI, you understand, and then they use your voice. Is it not better? So that you will add that little originality to it for your own sake, so that all your workings will not be in vain. At the last, when you want to apply for YouTube monetization, they will deny you. Okay, please, we all need to be careful, you understand? So even these misleading titles, now some people, they have been using this misleading title and they are going scot-free before. This time around, you cannot go scot-free now on your misleading title. If they are tightened everywhere. Okay, so this is what I want to bring to your notice. Even your thumbnail, if you're doing a thumbnail, make sure that your thumbnail signifies what your video is. Don't go and create another thumbnail because you want to lure people to your content. You understand? Let your channel be transparent. Let your channel bring value to people. Let people get something from your channel. Let your channel be original. So guys, all these things that I've mentioned here now, YouTube calls that low value content. Okay, so another one is spammy keyword stuffing, comment manipulation, or clickbait can hurt your credibility. Please, that credibility is what we are talking about now. Please, anything that would dent your image on YouTube, like doing stuff for sub, like YouTube wants YouTube want to sanitize this place so that it will be very good for we the creators. Please, anything that will make your content or your channel they will tag it as spammy keyword stuffing or comments manipulation, or even your channel title, they will tag it as clickbait. Please desist from it. It is not good. All right, so YouTube checks your overall content strategy, not just individual videos. So YouTube check everywhere, your overall content, both your title, both your thumbnail, both the words that you're using inside the content, everything in between. YouTube check it before they grant you that monetization. Now, if you have not gotten your monetization, this video is for you. Please, you guys should listen. Listen to this video, please. Creators, if you are here, help me to share this video so others will see it. If you are still looking for your monetization, this video is for you. All right. So number 4, the human review process. Let me explain to you. When you apply, your channel is manually reviewed. I don't know if you don't know that when you apply, this one is not a robot that is reviewing your content now. It's manually, they manually reviewed your content. A human being, they will go through it, not just a robot again. Understand? So the reviewers look at your about section. If you know that your about section, they check on it. You understand? They check your channel homepage, they check your playlist, they check your thumbnails and titles and video content itself before they will grant you that monetization. This is what is currently happening in this 2025. I don't know if you are aware. All right. So the third one is, if they feel your channel isn't authentic or consistent, they reject it. You understand? After checking after going through all this process on your channel, and they feel that your channel is not genuine, that your channel is not original, that there's no originality on your channel, there is no authenticity, because YouTube is big on authenticity. Hey, God help me, guys. YouTube is big on authenticity. Okay, so please, all of us should know what you are doing. Those of us that have not been monetized, you should be very, very careful, because as I'm here now, I am scared of so many things. You don't know the one that you're doing that is right. You don't know the one that you're doing that may be wrong. But at least let's keep our hands clean and be praying to God. All right. My advice to you is that treat your channel like a brand, not just a playlist of random videos. That is the only way that can save you. When you treat your channel like a brand, and you will see, you will get everything right. All right. Number 5, the hidden rule, community guidelines and copyright. Let me explain to you. Even if you meet every public requirement, one copyright strike, reuse background music, or community guidelines issues can block monetization. Please, left for me, I will ask every of you to, if you're doing a long form content, please leave music for now. Because I don't know what we are heading to. I don't know what is going on. You understand? Leave music for now. I'm not saying that music is bad, no, but for your own safety. For your own safety, so that you will not cry had I know at last. That is only my advice, please. So check YouTube Studio monetization tab for any red flag before you monetize. Okay? Then the tips I want to give you here is, avoid using unlicensed music or footage, even in short. Please, any unlicensed music or footage, even in that short that you're doing, please avoid it. Because even if you're doing right on your long form and they found out that there is some errors, there is some things on your short, they will not get your channel monetized. All of us that are doing that, we are using different kind of music on our short. Please, we should be very, very careful. This time around, YouTube they have tightened their seat belt too. They are checking every bit of everything that you're doing on that channel, both your long form and both your short. Okay, so now let me tell you what you should do instead. Step-by-step strategy to ensure approval. If you have not applied for your YouTube monetization, this is step-by-step that I want to tell you now what to do before you submit your requirements, okay, for YouTube to monetize your channel. Number 1, use original voice or narration. If you're doing AI content, please, it's better for you to use your original voice. Even when you generate the script, please turn that script, make that script to be you. Include some things inside that script. Let it to be you. You understand? Because so many people are generating the same script that you're generating. It's the way that you turn it around to be yours. That is when it will be original. I don't know if what I'm explaining makes sense. The second one is show your face or create custom visuals. To show face these days now, I will not advise anybody not to show face on the channel. If you have not been showing face on your channel, please start showing face on your channel for your channel safety. Okay? So that when you are applying for your monetization, it will go well with you. All right. So number 3 is build a consistent niche and upload style. You see, please, all those people that are doing random niche, this is where YouTube will get you. If you know that you are doing random niche, please concentrate on one niche so that they will know what your channel is all about. I use one upload style on your channel. Don't be doing here and there, getting any trending stuff, doing, it can confuse, and this may make them not to accept you in this YouTube monetization stuff that we are talking about if you are not yet monetized. All right, so number 4, optimize your channel homepage. Make sure that you optimize your channel homepage. Number 5, avoid recycled or AI spam content. Any video that they are recycling, you understand, any video they're doing it over and over again, please avoid it. Avoid it, because it will not help your channel in this 2025. AI spam content, people that are doing AI, please, you guys should take notice. Create both short and long form content. Please don't just create one. Shorts will help your channel, okay? Don't say that you're not creating any short again. Please always create your short, but just be very, very careful. Avoid music that YouTube did not give you. Avoid music. Avoid bringing music from anywhere. Avoid a voice note that you are not the one. Avoid it too, for your own safety of your channel. Please, they are advising you that you should do both long form and short form content. You can repurpose your long form, or you can create entirely new short form. Use your long form video to use it as a hook in your short form. It will go a long way for you. Guys, final advice plus motivation that I want to give you now. My final advice now for all these things that I've been blabbing up and down now. This is what I understand. Don't just chase numbers, build value. Okay, don't just chase subscribers. Make sure that you're bringing value to the table. It will really help your channel to grow. All right, YouTube is rewarding creators who are intentional, consistent, and original. Yes, these days there is originality. That is what is reigning. It's not like if you're not authentic, YouTube will not reward you. All right, so and another point is be consistent. Be consistent. Consistency is the key to YouTube, because they want you here. They want you to be uploading video every minute of the day. All right, so yes, you need 1,000 subs, but what you do with those subscribers matters more. This one is not packing subscribers up and down. This one is not about packing subscribers, going to comment section versus comment section this time around. I don't know if you have been doing this now. You guys should stop it too. After this YouTube reviews, that July 15 reviews, I don't think that anybody should be doing that again. No. Anybody that want to subscribe to you to subscribe to you because of what you're doing, not really sub for sub. This is my advice to you. Okay, this one is not about a 1,000 subscriber, but what are you doing with those subscribers that you have? Are they watching your video? Because when those subscribers is not watching your video, YouTube will start reducing those subscribers. So that is why so many people unsubscribe from people's channel. It's not them, it's YouTube that is removing them, because one, they are not active there. I don't know if you have noticed that your subscriber will be reducing. Why? Because those subscribers that subscribe to your channel are not active on your channel, so YouTube is using their hand to reduce it. So drop a comment if you have been stuck in monetization review. All right, guys, let's figure it out together. Okay, and also subscribe if you want YouTube growth tutorial. All right, this is the end of my teaching. Please, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. All right, I will see you on my next one. Bye.